Do you ever open a PDF thinking it'll take 2 minutes and then it just doesn't? That's exactly where pdnob PDF editor comes in. Let me show you why. This one's a scanned PDF. I can't select anything, I can't search, I can't edit it because it's basically just an image. So the first thing I do is OCR. After importing the scanned PDF, click on Perform OCR. It asks for a one-time plugin download, and once that's done, this screen pops up. Here I choose the output format, select which pages I want OCR'd, and pick the document language, which supports plenty of options. Once I run OCR, the whole document turns into real text. Now I can search through it, copy content, and actually edit it like a normal file. If you deal with scanned notes, invoices, or old documents, this alone saves a ridiculous amount of time. In rare cases, if there are very small images inside a scanned document, OCR might try to interpret them as text and slightly distort them. It doesn't happen often, but I'd still love to see Tenorshare refine that. Other than that, the OCR works incredibly well. Once the file is editable, fixing things is straightforward. I can change text, swap images, update a logo, add links, tweak backgrounds, or drop in a watermark if I need branding. And from here, you can also use AI tools if you want more control, polishing content, explaining sections, summarizing, translating, and more. I'll get to the AI part in a bit. The biggest thing? Nothing feels locked, and that's usually the biggest pain with PDFs. A lot of times the file doesn't even start as a PDF. You can create PDFs directly from Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or images, no extra steps. And if someone asks for the file back in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, you can convert it back without the layout falling apart. That's usually where things go wrong, but here it stays intact. There are other handy tools too: highlight, stickers, stamps, pencil, eraser, and signature. Let me quickly show you the signature tool because this comes in handy way more often than you'd expect. In the comment section, click signature, then create. You get 3 options: drawing, write, or use an image. For this demo, I'll use drawing. Once it's created, you're ready to sign. Just click the signature, place it on the document, and resize it to fit. Quickly jumping back to the edit section. pdnob's editing tools let you modify almost every part of a PDF directly, without converting it to another format first. You can click into the document and change text, fix typos, update wording, or adjust formatting, basically like editing a Word file but directly inside the PDF. You can also add or replace images, update charts or logos, insert or edit links, adjust backgrounds, and add watermarks or headers. And again, AI tools are available here too. Everything lives in one place, so you're not jumping between apps just to make small changes. Whether you're polishing a report, updating a proposal, or cleaning up scanned pages after OCR, it all feels simple and direct. pdnob also gives you full control over PDF pages. You can reorder pages by dragging them, insert new pages or files wherever needed, and split large PDFs into smaller ones for sharing. If you only need specific pages, you can extract them into a new file or replace individual pages without touching the rest of the document. You can also delete, crop, or rotate pages to clean up scans and fix layout issues. There are also built-in AI tools. If a document is long, I can summarize it instead of reading everything. If I'm sharing it with someone in another language, I can translate it. And if the wording needs cleanup, I can rephrase text right inside the PDF. Also, you can ask pdnob AI if you have questions about your current document using ChatGPT-4 or DeepSeek. Another thing I appreciate, it works the same on both Windows and Mac. I switch between systems pretty often, so not having to relearn anything is a big plus. So yeah, this is pdnob PDF editor. It turns PDFs into something you can actually work with and then lets you move on. If you want to check it out, the link's in the comments. That's it for now. Peace.